something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms. I'm down here off the mountain attending a conference, a 2-day conference. This is the ASTE Automotive Service and Technology Expo. This is like the premium place to be. If you're in auto tech, if you are a shop owner, if you are looking to upgrade your company, techs and owners come down here once a year. We didn't have it last year because of COVID, unfortunately, but you come down here and you get to learn from the best about the best to make your shop a better place. I'm going to take some video footage here of the grounds here. We have a lot of vendors that come in on Saturday afternoon and show off their wares. Some of this stuff is software to maximize profits. Some of this is software to help out in the shop, tool manufacturers, tool distributors, and of course parts, right? So I'll wander around there and maybe I'll just narrate some of that. But if you've never heard of this place, maybe in 2022 you'll think about coming down here and supporting this. Again, some of the best companies, and you'll just see as I roll through this, some great classes, some great people. Anyway, let's do this thing.
8th floor.
It's just a beautiful place. Again, this is Cary, North Carolina, where it has been since it started. Up here on the 8th floor, in the nosebleed section. Great breakfast in the morning, fully catered at lunch. Well worth it for technicians and shop owners. I mean, well worth it for the knowledge alone. As you can see, all the companies there, if I can zoom in on this. And again, I'm not using my professional camera here. I've just got the cell phone out, but I wanted to share this with you. Garage Gurus, Napa, Cirrus. I mean, just so many. Autel, I've hope to work with them again in the future. I've worked with them some in the past. Top Don, be working with them in the future again. AutoZone, obviously, Advance. I mean, all the big ones. O'Reilly's is here. Mitchell. I mean, All Data. You name it. If it's something related to the automotive industry, chances are there's reps here, and that they're going to be working to help make sure that your company gets off the ground. And without people like this, and without places like this, there's a lot of shop owners, a lot of people who want to run their own companies just fail to get off the ground or get off the ground effectively. Let's take another look around.
Okay, Tammy or Doug. Doug, go to the open. That's loud. Yes. Okay. So our next vendor that has offered a prize is
Stacy. So this conference is very unique. You guys also you really come out and train your shops well. Not only the owners, managers, but also the technicians. So it's great to see. It's what we kind of base our company around. Was always making this industry better. I cannot agree more with what Rick just said. We work with a lot of different companies. Rick has a lot of clients who use Techmetric, and he got to stand up to speak. But I will tell you, I ran a dealership for 7 years, and one of my biggest regrets was not going out and doing exactly what you guys are all doing, bettering yourselves.
So this is a part of my life that you guys don't get to see very often, but you will in the future with the new Farpoint Farms Restoration Channel. ASOG is a great organization that helps out small business owners and makes sure that they stay in business. And I've done some work with them in the past. I've done work with ASTE in the past, both teaching and learning. And I hope to do so again in the future. But again, you got so many cool people. Carm, who does his podcast down here. Lucas Underwood does his podcast down here. Just so many great people and so many great things to check out. And just what a great hotel, too. This is in Cary, North Carolina. And big open auditorium or atrium area for eating. And a lot of people just hanging out, having a good time. Anyway, I guess that'll do it. I want to make you aware of it. Take care.